Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In our previous video, we discussed about the different DIYs for study table which we can use to maintain our all stuff, and we also learned how to make the stickers for our switchboards. And in this video, we are going to make a notice board for your study room. So the materials required for our our notice board are a foam sheet which I have covered with newspaper from one side, a fabric cloth, glue, scissor and a sellotape, thumb pins and some colored papers. So here I have taken a foam sheet which I have covered with newspaper. You can see, and I have also made a hole here because I will do something interesting here. If you don't want to make a hole, then you can leave it also, or you can take a cardboard sheet also for this if you are not having foam. Now I will take my fabric cloth and cover my foam sheet with this and cut it with the size of the foam sheet. Now from one side I have pasted it with the sellotape. You can also paste it with the fabric glue. And as I have make a cut here on the foam sheet, so I will mark with the help of board marker it on the cloth so I can cut the cloth also with these measures only. Now I have cutted this fabric cloth from between and I have also pasted it from both the sides on the foam sheet. Now here is my notice board ready and I have hanged it. If you want to paste it with the double tape, you can paste it with double tape also. And the hole which I have made in between, I have covered it with the fashionable tape with all the four sides. Printed tape with all the four sides. Now I am going to decorate it with the things of my choice. You can also decorate it with the things you like. It's a small diary I have made it for the decoration of the board. And here I am pasting the second diary also. And this is a cute snowman through which I am decorating the notice board. If you are having these kind of small toys or teddy bears, then you can use them. This is the second one. Here I am posting some thoughts. You can also post all the important notices of yours and all the important birthday dates of your family or